You know what's scarier than a bug in production? It's being told that your developer's job might get replaced by no-code AI tools. But here's the real story. AI isn't just replacing developers, it's redefining them. Now let's talk about how AI is reshaping developers' role. Hey builders, coders and curious minds, remember when being a developer meant endless hours of typing boilerplate code? Well, the game is changing now, and today we are driving into code to no-code development. Let's face it, traditional development has its own pain points like repetitive code, delayed timelines, limited team bandwidth, and high dependency on engineers for every change. Meanwhile, stakeholder wants more flexibility, real-time updates, and faster build. The pressure is real, and the developers are stuck between writing logics and fixing last-minute UI edits. Here's how AI and no-code platforms are shifting gears. GitHub Copilot writes boilerplate. No-code platforms like Bubble, OutSystems handle UI. AI now can generate workflows, forms, even SQL queries, and developers now can finally architect, integrate, and supervise. Think of it this way, you're not just writing functions, you're designing systems. At Melonleaf, we have seen developers' roles evolve to automation architects, integration specialists, AI trainers and prompt engineers, no-code system designers, and rapid prototyping leads. Now talking about the results, less repetitive tasks and more creativity. And developers are owning bigger picture now. So are you still stuck thinking that AI is coming for your job? But it's actually opening up a better one.